Hi there, welcome. Here we are going to cover this question relating to initial value problem and differential equation. Right, so here is the equation and we are going to find the explicit solution for this problem. Okay, so the first thing that you need to pay attention is that you have to determine whether this equation is separable or not. Okay, and this is separable. Why is it? Because when you look at the right hand side, you can factor out y. So inside you have the 1 minus the x. Okay, so now let me rewrite the equation. We have x squared y prime equals y times 1 minus x. Okay, so the next step is to separate variables, meaning that you will separate y, you isolate y.